Oxynizer Hwan-won PH 03, Korean Kangnan, Installation Guide. Parts included in the package. Tools that you may need: drill, tape measure, thread seal tape, wrench, screwdriver. Steps during the installation: drill your wall if necessary to mount the unit and tube coming from the machine. Insert M3 expansion bolt into the wall. Insert the M3 stainless steel screws into where the expansion bolts are. Mount the machine to the wall. Take the white tubing and insert it into the PH03 port, labeled inlet. Remember to push it all the way in until it stops. Tubing deuce: insert tubing all the way in to prevent leaking. In most cases, up to nearly a full inch. Wet end of tubing to more easily insert into all inlets and outlets.
Turn off the cold water supply to the sink. Turn on the kitchen faucet to release pressure and allow water to drain from the line. Disconnect the faucet from the cold water line. Wrap the T-connector with thread seal tape. Attach threaded ends of supplied brass T to the cold water supply line and shut-off valve. Tighten using an adjustable wrench. Slide the compression nut onto the white tubing. Slide the plastic sleeve onto the white tube. Place the brass insert into the opening of the white tube. Push the tip of the white tubing into the opening of the brass T. Slide the compression nut onto the threads of the brass T. While holding the white tube in place, tighten the compression nut to compress the plastic sleeve and create a seal. Use a wrench to ensure a complete seal. Avoid over-tightening. Drainage installation. Inspect the drain tube valve. Insert the tube to the drain tube valve. Either side of the valve will do. Attempt to pull the tube from the valve to make sure it is tightly inserted. Pull the cap of the drain hole from the side of the machine. Insert the tube to the drain hole located at the side of the machine. The other end of this tube is connected to the drain tube valve. Check the tube line. It is important to test the tube line by turning the brass T on and making sure that there is no water leakage. Simply push the tubes to the holes connected to the machine if leakage is found. Drain the water inside of the machine by using the tube that goes from the machine to the drain tube valve. It is important to do this once in a week. Turn off the switch of the drain tube valve before using the machine.
Installation complete. Hope we learned and enjoyed today. Thanks for watching.